Good morning, mathematicians. Today we're going to be talking about measurement and comparison. So Braden and I are going to be working together. I just went and gathered some things from the house, probably between 15 and 20 things that you're going to want to use for this lesson. And we're going to be putting them in order from tallest or longest to shortest. And I'm going to be asking Braden some questions as we go. Now, one thing I want to point out is we're using something right here on the edge to make sure that all of our objects are starting at the same spot so that we can really tell which one is longer or shorter. So find something in your house, the edge of a carpet, the end of the table, just something that's going to give you that nice straight edge for you to be able to line up your objects. All right, so we're going to start our sort. Braden, why don't you pick an object and decide where you want to put it. All right, why did you put that one all the way on the edge?
It looks like the largest object here, so I feel like my eyes are usually correct.
Okay, so you think that one's going to be our longest. All right, so I'm going to put something down next, and you can do this on your own or with a partner. Either way is fine. I'm going to choose the sweet tarts, and I'm thinking there's no way it's going to be the next longest thing, so I'm going to put it down here, and I might need to scooch it over a little bit later, but we'll see. All right, go ahead.
This I think should go right there because it looks like the shortest thing we have.
Okay, yeah, some of these round things might roll a little bit. That's okay. All right, I'm gonna move some of these things up and out of the way too, just so we have a little more space. I'm gonna use my dog bone cookie cutter, and I'm putting it next to that, and it looks shorter than that, but I'm going to put it next to this one. Oh, it is taller than the glue stick, so I'm going to put it right next to the glue stick. It's a little bit longer. All right, your turn.
Okay. Post-it pad also looks pretty small, and it is smaller than the dog treat thing, so
move that over.
Ah.
Is it smaller than?
It is smaller than the glue stick.
Okay, so let's move that all the way to the end. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go for a long thing. This spoon looks pretty long, so I'm gonna line it up at the bottom. Yep, it's shorter than the tongs, but definitely longer than my sweet tarts.
And the spatula seems just a bit shorter, so that seems like a good space to put it.
Good. Let's see, let's find another shorter thing. I'm gonna do this smelly marker. Definitely shorter than the spatula, but longer than the sweet tarts. I'm gonna put it right there.
This looks roughly the same size, slightly taller.
Awesome. All right, my computer glasses. Let's see. Wow, those are almost the same size as that Expo marker, just a little bit longer. Okay.
This paint roller, slightly longer than the glasses.
Nice. I think we're gonna have to scoot things down a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you might have to do that in your own home as well, my friends. If you're finding that you need more space on one end than the other, just give things a slide and move them on down. All right, let's see. Oh, our jumbo smoothie straw. Yep. It's definitely shorter than the spatula.
This is right in between these two, so I might actually kind of put this one under a bit just for the sake of space.
All right, and let's see, what should I do next? Maybe the whisk? Do you think it's longer than the fork or shorter than the fork?
I think it's longer.
Longer? What about like the straw? Do you think it's longer or shorter than the straw?
That's difficult.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. Let's put them down next to each other. I think it's a little bit longer than the straw. Ooh, it's getting crowded. All right, we have
this to a bit more.
Yeah, we've got 2 more objects to put down. Keep them lined up.
Actually,
on the bottom. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. That'll give us a little more space. Smart cookie. All right, 2 more things. Whoa. All right, let's place these last 2 things. Where do you think they're gonna go?
Definitely shorter than that, but longer than the fork.
Nice. And our last item is going to be our paintbrush. Let's see, do we think it's gonna go between the fork and the ice cream scoop? or the ice cream scoop and the straw? I think the ice cream scoop and the straw. Let's see. Yes, just a little bit longer. So our longest is the tongs and our shortest are the Post-its. And I put them in order from longest to shortest. And we kind of had to move some things around as we went, but I think we did a pretty good job keeping things in order. So your job, mathematicians, is to go find some things in your house and put them in order from longest to shortest. All right, have fun.